David Blake, Deputy Superintendent of Police and the Operations Officer for the Manchester Division. What is happening here this afternoon is a joint operation with the support of the Jamaica Defence Force in the Spalding commercial district of Clarendon. Manchester, in fact, has operational and administrative responsibility for Spalding, and it's currently under a state of public emergency. So we are conducting this operation in the community to ensure that we restore public order, and those men who are wanted in the community are persons of interest. They are picked up by the police. So far we have detained several men. We have conducted several targeted and intelligence-driven operations, and we intend to conduct these operations for the duration of the state of public emergency, and to ensure that those who are detained are taken to the appropriate detention center and due process is exercised. We're mindful that the residents have their human rights, so we're not interfering in any way, shape or form with their human rights. But we have to ensure, as the security forces, that law and order is maintained. And we have had some concerns in the Spalding community. So there are incidents of robberies and break-ins throughout the nights, and we are getting the information from the public, and we're encouraging the public to continue to share information with the police about men who are wanted, any strange men who are in the community, because that is one of the concerns that we're having. Persons from the lower section of Clarendon, southern section of Clarendon, when the pressure is intensified there, they make their way into Manchester and into the Spalding community. We're not going to be having it. We're going to intensify the pressure, and we're going to be coming to get them. So we just encourage the public to continue to support the efforts of the security forces as we endeavor to restore law and public order right across Jamaica, and certainly in the Manchester Police Division.